BMW X3 key fobs use radio frequency signals to communicate with your car's immobilizer system, enabling remote locking, unlocking, alarms, and trunk release. Programming syncs the fob's unique ID with the car's ECU and CAS module. BMW X3 models vary by generation, so procedures may differ slightly. Always consult your vehicle's manual or a dealer. Pairing is often done via the iDrive infotainment system, requiring the vehicle to enter programming mode by cycling the ignition key. Incorrect attempts can lock the system, requiring a dealer reset. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert the working key into the ignition, turn it to position 1, which is accessory, then back to 0. Repeat this cycle 5 times within 10 seconds. The hazards should flash to confirm you've entered programming mode. Within 30 seconds, hold the unlock button on the new fob while pressing the lock button on the working key fob. The hazards should flash again to confirm. Repeat this process for any additional fobs, up to 8 total. Turn the ignition to position 2, which is on but without starting the engine, then back to 0. This exits programming mode. Test the fob to ensure it works properly. For 2020 and newer models, you can use the BMW Connected app instead. Pair wirelessly using NFC or Bluetooth through the app's digital key section. Note that pre-2010 models may require an OBD2 scanner for pairing. Always keep a backup key to avoid being locked out.